guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Michelle. What it's up? Hope you guys are all having fun staying at home. If not, have already found your own way of having fun. Okay, so today I want to kind of like jump out of the studio, go do a little shopping with you, and then come back and make something with you. I'm sure you can already guess what video we have today. So I feel that one good way to make good use of this circuit breaker, 1 month staying at home, is to kind of like pick up a new skill. Just pick up a new skill, whether you're good at it or not, doesn't matter, just have fun. I rarely produce content that is kitchen related, cooking related, baking related, because that is definitely not my niche. Today I'm super excited because I am going to finally sit down and learn something that I know many of you would already have known how to, but I'm going to learn how to make the Din Tai Fung fried rice, because that is one of my favorite dishes, and unfortunately I cannot go to the restaurant to get it anymore. So why not I make it for myself at home, save some money, learn some new skill, be more domesticated. Okay, so yeah, without further ado, we are going to go for a quick shop. Just nice, we have ran out of all cooking supplies. We really need to make this supermarket trip. So yes, let's go! So we already have some of the ingredients at home. So we're just gonna get some of the vegetables, the luncheon meat, the prawns, stuff like that. Okay, it sounds good. Using frozen prawns because we are damn lazy. It's the first time wearing these reusable masks. Surprisingly, they are quite comfortable. Got the luncheon meat. My luncheon meat is taking forever to be crispy. Why? Why? Am I doing something wrong? Okay, so this is what I got. I guess it's pretty crispy, but I think it will get more crispier when I fry them with the fried rice. So we'll see. Alright, so now we have poured all 6 eggs in. What we want to do is slow cook it, and then we pour the rice in to kind of coat the rice with it. Okay, so I think it's about there already. So now we're gonna put the rice in. Okay, now the rice is nicely coated with eggs. We're gonna add in salt and chicken stock. Salt. Then 1.5 tablespoons of chicken stock. Okay, so that's about it. Everything like that. So tasty. Okay, and then now we just fry around. Okay, so I just added a tablespoon of soya sauce. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in the spring onions. Okay, followed by the luncheon meat. This is an extra step that I wanted to add in because I love luncheon meat. Alright, and then the last step is to sprinkle some white pepper. And then you also want to add in our prawns. And then now you just fry away. Yes! It's looking good! Wow! Super self-praise eh? Okay, you want to make sure that it's a bit dry. We didn't use overnight rice, so I don't know. Sorry, but it's really starting to smell like the Din Tai Fung fried rice. I think I nailed it. I'm going to scoop up a bit of it and taste. Oh my god, it smells exactly like it! Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. I don't know, I'm very excited because it's the first proper dish I ever made myself. So dinner is served. Oh my god, so excited.
I told the smells that I'm building you that church. Very generous Fung.
I don't think the fish was that good, baby.
And so
I don't think the fish was that good. Not crispy enough. Definitely can use drier rice. I think we added too much water when we cooked the rice. I think that taste is very good. Alright guys, so that marks the end of my very first cooking experience. I'm pretty happy with the outcome. Thank God I didn't burn myself, didn't burn any food, and thank God that the food was edible. That's all that I asked for. Definitely there's a lot of room for improvement, but cooking is actually quite fun, even though it is actually quite tiring, especially it's my first time cooking, and also I have to vlog and cook at the same time. But I definitely want to explore more into cooking, and I know that Alao's passion is cooking, so that is one area I like to gain more knowledge on. We can have one more activity to do together. Okay, really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. It's something a little bit more different, and also kind of like sharing with you a very delicious simple dish that you can make at home that can last you for a couple of days actually. Okay, so yeah, let me know what would you like me to cook next. Maybe I can try, or maybe what would you like me to try baking next, or what other kind of content would you like to see on this YouTube channel. Okay, yes, as usual, there's gonna be a giveaway, 3 beauty boxes handpicked by me, even to 3 lucky winners. Okay, so all you have to do is to be subscribed and leave me any comments down below, and I'll pick my favorite 3 by the end of the week. I really hope that you are spending time wisely and meaningfully at home, taking good care of yourself, staying sane. Okay, just keep a light mood. Yeah, thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and share my video. Turn on post notifications so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I make videos every single week. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!